Hi and welcome back to Gym Builds. This is the next update on the Cortina project, and yes, we're back in the garage. Finally left the dining room, so figured out a lot of the problems with the loom were down to this guy. But managed to fix them, and now we have a functioning loom. Although I'm still fitting bits, but I will show you. So, turn the key, stuff happens. So I've got the wipers that were rebuilt in a previous episode, which you can check out. We've got lights, dash lights, got headlights, got full beam, left indicator, right indicator, strangely. We even got hazards. So yeah, been getting on with quite a bit, and I've started fitting some of the interior bits. So the dash pad has been cleaned up. It's come up really nicely. That is totally original. No cracks, no tears, no problems at all, which I'm pleasantly surprised about. So I'll show you a few other bits that I've been working on, and then that's it. Oh yeah, I'm still waiting on the rear door because I forget what the date is today, but I was planning on having the door reskinned, and then we went into lockdown. So yeah, still only a 3-door at the minute. We'll get there. So I've started working on plating some bits, and this has been nickel plated. This is the catch for the bonnet, and that is part of the hook bracket that goes on the bonnet itself. I made the electrolyte myself, which if you're interested, drop me a comment and I'll show you how I made this. It's pretty cool stuff. And yeah, I've been working on some interior bits, and here we have the gearbox, which is mostly together. It's got the shifter to do, but I've had to order that new cup and a few bits. I'm just waiting on for that, so I didn't want to take it apart till I knew I could get the right bits. As it turns out, if you need one of those, you can get them for the Lotus Elan. They're the same part, and you can actually get them in aluminium, which is what I've ordered. So I will come on to that, and then we'll finish off this in the second episode of the gearbox rebuild, which if you've not checked out the first one, I'd recommend it, especially if you're going to do a gearbox. And that brings me on to, yes, I need to clean these up, but thought I'd do a trial fit just to see what it looked like. And the battery was on charge because it's been abused massively in the last few weeks whilst I've been testing the loom. That's where it's going to sit, but it just needs a proper box making up, and the cable, the positive cable, needs a bit of attention, so I need to route it properly. That's kind of where I'm at really in the last few weeks. So that's where I'm at currently, waiting on some more bits to come, and have some more bits to fit once I've painted them. I know a couple of people have talked about wanting to see some of the work that I've done up to this point, or the welding. If you're interested in that, drop me a comment. And I'd like to say I'm up to 100 subscribers now, which is really awesome. So thank you to all for subscribing and for watching my videos. So I really appreciate it. And it's kind of it for this one. So I hope you're all taking care of yourselves and staying safe, and more importantly, getting on with your projects. Use the time wisely, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.